Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Firestore for document change notifications step by step clearly. Begin by logging into the Firebase console. Create a new project or select an existing one. Next, navigate to the Firestore database section in the left sidebar. Once in Firestore, click on Create Database if you haven't already done so. Choose a starting mode for your database, either test mode or production mode. Once your database is created, move to the code where you want to implement the notification. Install the Firebase library for your project if you haven't done so. If you're using Node.js, use the npm install command for Firebase. For web, include the Firebase SDK in your HTML file. Next, initialize your Firebase app with the configuration details from your Firebase project. Create a reference to the specific Firestore document you want to listen for changes on. This method accepts a callback function that runs automatically whenever the document changes. Inside the callback function, use the provided snapshot object to extract the document data. You can then process the updated data as needed for your application. If needed, handle any potential errors by adding an error callback to the onSnapshot method. Make sure to test your implementation by making changes to the document in Firestore. Observe the notifications in your application to confirm everything is working correctly. Once confirmed, you can extend this logic to other documents or collections as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.